just had lunch. And now he's feeding our babies. There's another one right there under the front. See, can I lift your leg? Can I lift it, Pearl? See, there we are. Pearl likes everybody. Pearl's a good girl. Good girl, Pearl. Look at them eating. Everybody's good, aren't they, Pearl? You like your babies? Yeah. Want me to help you? Hold on.